Namaste friends, I'm here to talk about my new book, Mahabharat, A World War. The reason for the title is Vyasji in his epic Mahabharat mentions a number of tribes which fought on behalf of the Kauravas. That includes the Pundra, which is present day Bangladesh, Chin, which is China, Xinjiang, which the Chinese have illegally occupied, which originally was called East Turkestan or the Tukhar in the epic, and then the East Turkestan province of Kazakhstan, and the Central Asian states of Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan and Turkmenistan, which were the tribes of the Shak and the Darad. And then we all know that Gandhar of Afghanistan fought on behalf of Duryodhan. There were many other tribes too, which include the Ambasht, the Balik, and also the Kamboj, which is Kamdesh of present day Afghanistan. When you come to Pakistan, we include Sindhu, Shibi and Sawir. Shibi is the present day region of Balochistan, and Madra, which was having the capital of Sakalkot, which is present day Sialkot. And then moving further west, we come to the region of Iran, which had the provinces of Pahlav and the Parat. And then further west, Iraq, all the way to Turkey, which is the Yavans. They all fought on behalf of the Kauravas. And then we also include the Berbers, which is mentioned in the Vyas Mahabharat. That is the North African clan which fought against the Pandavas. So these are all the tribes which fought against the Pandavas. And then one very notable clan was the Vahik, which are the Pishach, descendants of the Pishach named Vahi and Hika, and they occupied the space from Sakalkot, which is Sialkot of Madras, all the way to Arat, which includes the Kurd border region of Turkey, Azerbaijan, Armenia and Iran. So these are all the allies, and that is one of the primary reasons why this epic is called Mahabharat. Hope you enjoy the book. Thank you. Bye.